What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about this crypto here called Highstreet, which has had a major pump in value guys, 21% up right now. But we can see earlier on, this was very early this morning, it pumped up all the way up to $1.88. It has taken a slight dip since, but right now it is slowly starting to gain value again. So where is it going to? Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Is it too late? Or should you just hold on to it? That's what we're going to be going through in today's video, covering both buyers and sellers point of view, and mainly looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months, and overall in 2022, how high and how low this crypto can go. And also going into 2023, is this a must-have crypto in your wallet? But before I get into all of that stuff guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel, and for a bonus entry, following me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see, the market is just about 0.5% up, nothing major, but Highstreet has managed to gain the second top gainer in the top gainers list in the last 24 hours. In the last hour itself, it's been very volatile. As you can see, peaked up gaining about 4% and right now dropped back down in value, making an overall 2% down in the last hour. Over the last day, 22%. Over the week again, 22%. So most of the week it was fluctuating around 130, 140, and out of nowhere, very early this morning, it pumped up in value. Over the month is, and again overall 10% up. So going into the coin market cap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up by a massive 2,500% up in the last 24 hours, which is a huge percentage increase, making it $80.4 million in trading, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Highstreet. And as you can see, we do have a lot of investors guys, 88% buy against 13% sell, which does not make sense on Coinbase. It's meant to be either 87 and 13 or 88 and 12, but yeah, you get the gist. There's way more investors than sellers at the moment. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the Fibonacci scale, which I'll be using later on in the video to do some technical analysis. But for now, I'm just going to hide this, and I'm going to bring out the usual MACD indicator to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are looking at the daily chart, and at the top we've got the purple line running across the candlestick pattern chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Highstreet, which at the moment is $1.42. However, it is trading at a slightly higher value at $1.65, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for the short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors. But before I get into that, just a little disclaimer as usual guys, this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what can we see here guys? We do have the blue line and the orange line flat out going in a straight line. It's not looking bullish or bearish. So essentially guys, over the next couple of hours, we should expect the crypto to fluctuate around the current price range. Again, over the next few hours means over the next 12 to 14 hours, so towards the end of the day today, early hours of tomorrow, I am expecting it to fluctuate between $1.60 to $1.65. Even though in between that time it will be volatile, we may see a pump up to about 180, 185 and drop down to about 155 to 160. It's going to be quite volatile, but the overall outcome is what matters, and at this point it seems to be more on the neutral side. As you can see, both the lines are literally very close to each other and going in a straight line. Now moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, what can we see here? Now we're looking a little bit more bullish. Yes, I know it looks like it is going in a straight line, but the blue line is slightly slanting towards the positive direction, and the orange line is flat out going in a straight line, meaning an overall very minimal increase in value is what is expected over the coming days. So by mid next week, we should be fluctuating around 170 and 175, somewhere in between that target. But again, that doesn't mean we're going to be fluctuating at the current price range for the rest of the week and next week. No, we are going to hit red candles when it's down. Potentially tomorrow, the day after, are going to be red days because of the major pump that's taken place. The crypto has to take a little step back, a little breather. So I'm expecting drops in value and gains in value for the following days, meaning an overall fluctuation around 170 to 175 by mid next week is what my predictions are so far. Now moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, what can we see here? Now we are looking much more positive. We can clearly see that the blue line and the orange line are both looking bullish, heading towards the positive direction, meaning again an overall increase in value is what is expected over the coming weeks. So early November to mid-November, we should expect an overall increase in value, potentially heading towards the $2 mark is what I'm expecting at the moment. However, as you guys know, the crypto market has been very volatile since the start of 2022. Volatile, but more or less moving towards the negative direction. So these things will have a major impact, not just on the value of Highstreet, but the whole crypto market in general. So if there are any major pumps or major crashes, anything like that, they will have an impact on the value of Highstreet. So I will make sure to keep you guys updated on that as much as possible and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But yeah, so far for the long run, we are looking good. But again, this may change according to how the crypto market performs, especially for the rest of the year. Is Bitcoin going to stay around 20k? Is it going to pump up to 30, 35k? Or is it going to drop down to 10, 15k? Who knows, guys? We're gonna have to wait and see because it's been very volatile. Now let me get rid of the MACD indicator and bring on the Fibonacci scale to do some technical analysis. As you can see, we are still trading in the red zone, and most cryptos are trading in the red zone, guys, because since we hit about January, February 2022, most cryptos started to crash and ended up in the red zone, and ever since then most cryptos have just been going downwards. As you can clearly see here, this crypto dropped into the red zone in December 2021, so nearly a year ago, guys. It's been a good 9 to 10 months it's been trading in the red zone, and it's been doing nothing but getting worse and worse and worse. And for us to hit the green zone, we're gonna have to hit $14.96, which I'm not expecting anytime soon. It's gonna require us to go through an 800 to 900% increase on Highstreet, which I'm not expecting from this crypto anytime soon. So more or less, guys, it's very likely we are going to be trading in the red zone for most of this year and potentially most of next year as well. But again, if there are any major updates that can have a potential impact on the value of Highstreet, either in a positive or negative way, I will make sure to keep you guys updated. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Highstreet, guys. What I want you guys to do is comment down below how high or how low do you guys predict Highstreet to go in 2022. Let me know in the comment section down below, as I'm very intrigued to see how many of you guys are bullish and how many of you guys are bearish on this crypto. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. A massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me as I'm trying to hit 100k subscribers by the end of the year. And yeah, that is pretty much it, guys. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, comment, and all of that stuff, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.